Hi all, this is Tyler Kromkiatek from Canisius. In this video we show how to add a rubric to a discussion board for easier grading. The steps listed below can also be used on D2L drop boxes. In this demo we assume that we already have a rubric ready. Let's get started. Go to the Discussions tab. We can add a rubric to a new or pre-existing discussion topic. The steps will be identical in either case. In this demo, we will create a new discussion. Quickly go through and add the necessary information for the discussion. When ready, click on the Evaluation and Feedback drop-down menu. Click on Add Rubric. In the menu that appears, we can create a brand new rubric or add an existing rubric. We will do the latter in this instance. Select Add Existing. This will give us a menu of all the rubrics available to us in the course. If we want to preview the rubric, click on the button to the far right of the title. The rubric preview will open in a new tab. Click on the checkbox to the left of the rubric we want to add. Then click on Add Selected in the bottom left. Click on Save and Close in the bottom left. Now when we go to grade the discussion, we can use a rubric instead. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.